Hello and welcome back to this beginner scripting series. This is the second part of the series. We will now go over services, instances, and properties. So, what are services? Basically, easily explain it, everything which is up here, which you don't have like to uncollapse something. This is a service. Everything I have selected right now, those are the services in Studio. There's no more, no less. Alright. There are some hidden ones. You get them by using a special thing. You will know how to use it later or in another episode, but for now that's not important. Those are services. Now, what's an instance? Everything in here in the Explorer is an instance. It doesn't matter what. A service, okay, that's an instance. A base plate, that's an instance. A pod, that's an instance. A terrain instance. Camera instance. UI instance. Script instance. Everything is an instance. Then, what are properties? Alright, we have gone over them in the last episode. So, to switch and to configure them via script, that's another thing. Alright. For now, hit right click, insert object, and search for script on server script service, or you hit the plus and click script. Now hit a pod, and then look. This is size, vector free value. That's basic size. Just remember, this is a size. C-frame is also the position. That's a C-frame value. That's the position of the part. Remember that. That will be important. It's always important. Now, how to change them? Either you click on something here, you enable and disable it, or just configure them, or you go into the script, and now, alright, you go workspace, alright, you have to name the services it is in, or like its parent workspace. What we're now doing, that's its path, workspace dot base plate. We now have the path workspace dot base plate, and now we can configure it. Dot can collide equals false. Alright, it can be false or true. What I've now done, this is a comment, by the way. It isn't important. Either false or true. True means it's enabled, false means it's disabled. Alright, now let's hit play. You'll see I'll fall through the base plate. Simple. There are other properties though, like recolor, which you cannot change that easily. Workspace dot baseplate dot brickcolor equals brickcolor dot new open brackets string. Alright, this is string. Put two strings here, or whatever the symbol is called. Now you go to brickcolor and you just choose one. Alright, you check its name, light blue for example. I want to be light blue. I want a light blue base plate. Now I just put light blue in here, and now hit play. My base plate is light blue. Nice. There's other stuff like color. Workspace.baseplate.brick.color. You want to have a more detailed color, not like just blue. I want a specific shade of that blue. Equals color free.new open brackets Then you see I9, you just put some number in here, then you hit this, and now configure it. I want this specific shade of blue, and now copy it. Awesome. Now let's check what color the base plate has, and this exact shade of the blue. Awesome. Alright, next we rename the script. Click on the script, hit F2 or right click and rename, and now name it property script. If the base plate is named hello, we would have to do workspace.hello line. But since it's named baseplate, we do workspace.baseplate. Alright. Then there is also transparency, which has a number as its value. Workspace.baseplate.transparency equals 0.5. Half invisible. Since 1 is invisible, 0 transparency is visible. Then there is stuff like workspace.baseplate.material. You can't just say plastic. This doesn't work. You have to do enum. This is basically a list, and then we get the list of materials dot, and we want to pick smooth plastic. From that material list, we pick smooth plastic. Alright. That's how you can change properties and specific ones in your script. We will be going over how to change size and vector, so free position and C-frame at some point, but that's another episode. And if you like this episode, I'd be grateful if you subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends. Have a good day and see you.